Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your device OS and storage. This avoids interrupted updates. Once done, sign into the Google account linked to YouTube so settings sync properly. Now open the YouTube app and tap your profile icon in the top right to get to settings. Make sure you have a Wi-Fi connection or enough mobile data. Updates may be large. From Settings, select General to see update options, and proceed to the next step when you see the App Update toggle or Manage Updates entry. You now change how updates behave. If you want automatic installs, enable Auto Update either inside the Play Store entry for YouTube or in Settings General Auto Update. If you prefer testing features, opt into the beta channel via the YouTube Play Store page. Otherwise, remain on stable to avoid bugs. To reverse a problematic update, open Play Store, tap Manage Apps YouTube, and choose Uninstall Updates. Once done, you can force a manual update to reapply a clean version. Finish by restarting your device to apply changes and reduce residual glitches. If the app still misbehaves after an update, clear YouTube's cache and data from app settings. This often fixes UI and playback issues. If updates fail to install, uninstall and reinstall YouTube from the Play Store and confirm your account sync and storage space are valid. One troubleshooting tip: if a specific update breaks features, opt out of beta or uninstall updates to return to the last stable build before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.